Hey everyone! Welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off in-game music and sound effects in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Mobile Legends Bang Bang is full of exciting battles, skills, and effects. Sometimes you might just want to mute the in-game music or sound effects either to focus better, save battery, or play without disturbing others. First of all, launch open Mobile Legends Bang Bang on your device and from the menu or the lobby screen, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. From the menu that appears on the screen, go to the left hand side and tap on Sound. Now, go ahead and turn off the button right next to Main Volume, and once you do that, you will then be able to turn off all the sound effects and music available in the game. Now you can head back to the lobby and start a game, and you'll then be able to play Mobile Legends Bang Bang quietly. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.